Homework 6-4. We're getting into adding another step to this model, so subtract two-digit numbers. Main difference, make sure your name's on it. Between tonight and the last couple nights, you're drawing pictures again, but now that you're subtracting two digits minus two digits. So it's not just going to be the cut and dry, whatever numbers in the tens, you're just going to subtract 0 from it, and that's your answer. Boom. I've seen that today on students working on math on your own. First thing I would tell your child to do is right above it, write yes or no if they have to regroup. 0 minus 3, do I have to regroup? Absolutely yes. I'm write that. They need to identify that right away. 6 minus 8, do I need to group? Absolutely yes. If they can't identify that, it's going to be a struggle right away, among the other 5 or 6 different steps they're going to have to do here. First thing I would have them do, if you're breaking it down to steps, 1, for tonight, draw. 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's easy. First step's draw. I have to draw over here, 76. You're not drawing both, you're just drawing the minuend. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom, got it. Step 2. Regroup the tens. They're both yes, we have to regroup the tens. That's our next step. So second step, regroup the tens. Well, can't do 0 minus 3, so I have to grab a 10, exchange it. So minus 1, 10, cross a 10 out. Now I have 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. This I don't need anymore. Cross all of it out. I can't subtract yet. Next step. Regroup over to the ones. That means I'm going to draw the ones over there. So I've already regrouped 10 into 10 ones. Now I got to take the ones over and add the ones to it right there, which would be 0 plus 10 is 10. Well, I'm adding 10 ones over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's the 10 ones. Now I can subtract. Now you're actually going to have more than one X on some of these over here. That was confusing today for some students. 10, take away 3. Well, cross out 3. How do I got left? 7. 4, take away 1. Oh, I have 4 left here, but I still have to take away 1. This is not even part of the equation. That 10 went over here. Cross 1 out, I have 3 left. So the last step that we just did is subtract and cross out. So I drew the tens and ones. I regrouped the tens. I regrouped the ones. And then I have to subtract 4 minus 1 and 10 minus 3. I'm not subtracting the numbers I crossed out here. I'm subtracting up here to here. My new minuend's up here. My new subtrahend's down here. Take a look at the next one over here. I already did step 1, draw. Second, regroup the tens. Well, I need to grab a 10, exchange it for some ones over here to get more ones. Take 1 away. Take 1 away. With 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left. Next I need to do is take those ones over. Add 10 over here because I had adding 10 to make this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16. 6 plus 10 is 16. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. Now I need to subtract. Cross out. And cross out. Let's start with over here. 16 minus 8. Well, I have 16. Cross out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many do I have left? 8. Next, 6 minus 2. I have 6 tens. I cross out 2, and I have 4 remaining. The models help. And again, it's just going to get to a point where your child's going to have to not only understand, they need to understand what they're doing, why they're doing it, but it's going to get to a point they're just going to have to say first step, second step, third step. What do I do first, second, third, fourth, fifth? Break it down into steps. It says draw models. I would draw your models over here. Lucy has 70, Jamal has 54. How many more marbles? Many more means subtraction. 70 minus 54. If it says draw a model, draw a model. I need to draw 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I drew a picture first. Next, I regroup. have 7 tens. I need to get some tens over here so I can take 4 away. Take 1 away. Take 1 away. Draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I took 1 away. I have 6 tens left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I added 10 over here. So now I have 10. Now I'm subtracting 10 minus 4 and 6 minus 5. Minus 4, let's cross out 4. 6. 6 minus 5. Cross out 5. 5, I only have 1 left. 1. Moving along. Latoya has 95 pennies. She gives 62 to her cousin. How many does she have now? Subtract. 95 minus 62. Oh, guess what? I don't need to regroup. Hallelujah. 5 minus 2. Answer it. 9 minus 6, answer it. This I'm not even going to do any work for. You do it. Down at the bottom. Ooh. Find the missing numbers to make the subtraction problem true. Whoa. So you have some number here. Minus some number here. Is equal to 45. This is tough. So I know that I have to subtract the 10 here, and I'm going to eventually have to regroup. Why? This is going to be 12, so it's going to be 12 minus something equals 5. 12 minus 7 equals 5. So I need to have something here where I regroup to get down to 1. Something minus 1 is 4. So something minus 1 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. So that means I'm starting with 6. Regroup the 6. Add 10 to it, make it a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. 45. And last but not least, to find 36 minus 17, how can you regroup? 36. 2 tens, 16 ones. And that is the homework tonight. Apologies for not posting the homework last night.